Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to enable God mode in Windows, then watch this video. So what is God mode? God mode is basically a control panel which gives you control over the entire system. It basically contains all the important editing and configuration tools in your computer in one control panel folder. It's not vast and exhaustive like the original control panel folder. This is much more concise. So anyways, let us take a look at this folder. To create this folder, we need to right click on the desktop, click on new, and then we need to click on folder. Now we will rename this folder and we will rename it like this. A command or this text you will find in the description of this video. So we'll copy it. We'll copy this and we will right click, rename, and we'll paste it here and we'll press enter. And now you'll see that this icon has changed into something like a control panel. So you can see a list of all the program tasks by double clicking on it. And there you go. You can see everything is very concise. It shows you autoplay settings, your color management settings, credential manager, date and time, your device encryptions, and so many other settings about your keyboard, your mouse, change mouse click settings. And this is very convenient, folks. This is very convenient. You can create a shortcut if you feel like on your desktop. Yes, so I created a shortcut for change advanced desktop. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.